Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to do a peekaboo braid. You want to start by applying any sort of frizz-free product to your hair if you have problems with frizz or flyaways. You then want to part your hair as I'm going to show you now. You want to have one section in the back and two in the front. You can tie off the front sections so they don't get tangled up with the braid we're going to do with the back section. With the section at the back of your head, you now want to start a braid. You can do a French braid or a Dutch braid. You want to split the hair into three and start your braid. I decided to braid the strands over one another. So you want to take a section of hair from each side of your head, add hair to it, and then take that strand over the middle strand. If you need clearer instructions on how to Dutch or French braid, I do have other tutorials on my channel that can help you with this. But essentially you're going to add hair to the outside strands and then take them over the middle strand. You're going to do this until you've used up all your hair and you've reached the bottom of your head. We're then going to tie it off with a small hair elastic. With the sections you've left down at the front, you're now going to arrange them how you like them and tie them up in the back. You can have bits hanging down to frame your face or have the sides covering your ears, it's up to you. And then you're going to do a braid at the back of your head with the two pieces of hair from the side of your head and the piece of hair that's in the braid. So you're working with three separate pieces of hair to form a braid. And that's it, you've got this really cute, easy peekaboo braid. I really like this braid, I think it's really fun and it's great for work or school. Thank you so much for watching, please check out my other videos and please subscribe and like.